In today's retail climate, efficiency and dependability are critical. To address these requirements, Shopify POS provides seamless hardware integration, providing interoperability with a wide selection of POS devices. Shopify POS supports a wide range of hardware devices, from receipt printers and barcode scanners to cash drawers and card readers, easing operations and improving the customer experience. In this video, we will look at the importance and benefits of Shopify POS hardware integration, emphasizing how it enables merchants to streamline their point-of-sale procedures, enhance accuracy, and create a coherent and efficient retail environment. Streamlining point-of-sale operations. Retailers benefit from Shopify POS hardware integration because it simplifies and streamlines point-of-sale procedures. Retailers may seamlessly connect their preferred devices to the Shopify POS system by providing compatibility with a varied selection of POS hardware devices. Barcode scanners, for example, can be integrated to enable for quick and precise product scanning during checkout. This eliminates the need for manual data entry and decreases the possibility of human error, assuring efficient and precise transaction processing. Receipt printers may also be automatically linked into Shopify POS, allowing shops to generate professional-looking receipts in real time for customers. By providing immediate transaction documentation, this integration saves time and improves the entire client experience. Increased precision and efficiency. The incorporation of POS hardware devices into Shopify POS increases accuracy and operational efficiency. Retailers can speed up transactions and remove manual tasks by connecting suitable devices. Cash drawers can be linked with Shopify POS to ensure that cash transactions are managed and documented securely. This interface eliminates the need for manual cash handling and lowers the risk of cash management errors. Card readers can also be effortlessly connected, allowing merchants to safely and efficiently accept a variety of payment methods. Retailers may process credit and debit card payments smoothly by connecting compatible card readers, enhancing transaction speed and delivering a hassle-free payment experience for customers. Additionally, Shopify POS hardware integration improves inventory management procedures. Retailers may correctly and efficiently update inventory levels, manage product movements, and reduce errors associated with human data entry by incorporating barcode scanners. Hardware options that are versatile. Shopify POS hardware integration provides retailers with a variety of options for assuring compatibility with various hardware devices. Retailers can select hardware that best meets their business needs and budget, ranging from industry-leading brands to low-cost solutions. Retailers can choose from a wide range of receipt printers, barcode scanners, cash drawers, and card readers that work flawlessly with Shopify POS. This adaptability enables retailers, whether they run a small boutique or a large-scale retail operation, to modify their hardware setup to their individual needs. Scalability and integration. Shopify POS hardware integration connects easily with a variety of hardware devices, assuring compatibility and ease of use. Shopify POS provides full integration capabilities, whether retailers choose hardware devices from Shopify's recommended list or third-party choices. Furthermore, Shopify POS hardware connection is scalable, making it suitable for enterprises of all sizes. Retailers can begin with a minimal hardware configuration and scale up as their business expands, simply adding more devices as needed. Retailers may use Shopify POS hardware integration to streamline their point-of-sale procedures, improve accuracy, and maximize operational efficiency. Shopify POS enables shops to create a unified and efficient retail environment by providing interoperability with a wide range of POS hardware devices, including as receipt printers, barcode scanners, cash drawers, and card readers. Shopify POS hardware integration, with its seamless connection and scalability, provides merchants with the flexibility and dependability they need to drive customer delight, manage operations, and achieve retail success in today's competitive industry.